Alright, tool groupies, today we finally received this 38-piece bit set from Sunex Tools. Part of their holiday giveaway this past Christmas. Unfortunately, whenever they mailed it out, it got sent to the wrong location. The post office around here doesn't know how to read addresses quite that well. Luckily, it found its way to me this past week. I do love the decals here. Both of them is going to go straight onto a toolbox. That way we can represent the Sunex Tools brand. Plus, they sent us this thank you card back here. Thank you for entering our giveaway, Sunex Squad. And of course, the giveaway was this 38-piece bit set, model number 9726. If you're interested in this tool set, make sure you check out the description box below. I'll post a link directly to SunexTools website. One thing every tradesman needs is a nice bit set to go with their toolbox. I know there's a lot of field service technicians out here, whether you got a tool bag, a mobile unit, a utility truck that you drive around in, or you work stationary, everybody needs a good bit set. Some tradesmen will use these more than others. As someone who has been in the automotive world, I can tell you one thing. Anybody who's ever worked on a dashboard in a vehicle, you're going to need a little tool set like this one to help get that job done. There's going to be certain things and components that you get into and you're not going to be able to reach them without a good set of tools, such as a bit set and a little tiny ratchet like you see here. Now, all in all, this is a 38-piece set. You do get 32 S2 steel bits to accommodate any application. You also get one quick release extension bar for those hard to reach places. Of course, you're going to get a magnetic mini ratchet for compact convenience. I'm not going to go over every individual bit that you get in this set, but you're more than welcome to pause this video because I'll put it right there on screen for you. You get a little bit of everything to choose from slotted, Phillips, Torx, Posi, tamper-proof Torx, and hex. Everything here is made in China, and it does come with a lifetime warranty with the exception of the bit. As far as the ratchet and the extension goes, they are a lifetime warranty item, but the bits are not. I gotta say, as far as this case goes, I absolutely love it. I like the color, I love the feel and texture. Riveted hinges here on the back is what the bottom side looks like. Then you got your latch here on the front. This is a very nice compact case here. Like I said, if you're someone on the go, you can pick this thing up, put it inside your toolbox, your tool bag, whatever the case may be, and take it with you on the go. If you're doing stationary work, all you gotta do is stick it down inside your toolbox, shut the drawer, and it's there when you need it. Whenever you're ready to use it, you just pull down on this latch here, raise the lid, and right there you go. You get all the access you need to all these bits. Everything does come secured and organized inside a foam storage tray here. Clear visible indicators printed on the foam, that way you know where each piece goes. It's even made with a hex insert, so everything stays nice and secure whenever you slide it back in place. This is our little extension here. It's got knurling right here on the collar. That is a spring-loaded collar. You pull back on it, release it. It's got a detent ball on the inside there. Whenever you go to install your bits, they got little notches on the corner of them. All I got to do is pull down on this, and it slides right into place. Right there you go. It's not going to come out until you pull back on that collar and remove the bit. And it does got some knurling around it, so if your hands are oily, greasy, stuff like that, you're still going to get grip. If you chose to use this individually, you could easily do that as well. Each one of the bits do have die-stamped indicators, so you can easily determine where they go when you're done using them. We've got our little mini ratchet here with the Sunex name laser etched into the handle. Nice flat gear head, smooth functioning reversing switch. Has a retaining ring holding the gear head assembly together. On the internal of the hex right there, you'll also notice a nice strong magnet that holds them bits in place. All you got to do is choose the bit, slide it down in there, and it locks you right in. Now here's what the gear head itself sounds like. Nice and smooth. When you're done with everything, just take it, put it back in each one of the slots everything goes in, close it up, lock it up, and then put it away. But now it's time that I treat these tools like I do everything else on this channel, and that's test them in the trades. If you want to follow along and see how well this tool performs over an extended period of time, do is pop the clutch on that subscribe button or check out some of these other social media platforms.